Hi, Harry Lightfoot here from Berthon, and today we are down in the south of France near Nice doing this walkthrough on this lovely Nicholson 55. Hi and welcome to the south of France and on board this really lovely Nicholson 55. She's been in the current ownership since 1988 and has been lovingly cared for ever since, and is now ready to set sail with a few updates needed down below. As we step around the deck, you'll see the actual teak decking, which this boat has plenty of, is in particularly good order. During the winter she is ashore and fully covered, and in 1995 the complete teak deck was redone, which might have been a little while ago, but they have made sure to look after her. As we just look around, you can really see the true classic style of this boat. She really is a head turner and by far the best looking boat in the marina that I was in. She has rod rigging as well as a bow thruster that has just been fitted, and an upgraded sail and rig plan that was done as well to give her more powerful windage as we're going downwind, as well as an easier boat to sail. As we make our way aft, you have your centre cockpit. Nice place to be. She has a spray hood and as well as a sun bimini. Coming back into right at the aft, you have a good sized locker as well as access onto the shore. Looking back, you can really get a feel for the lines of the boat. I say she really is beautiful, and the deck is especially in good order. As we step down, making our way into that centre cockpit, you have plenty of winches. So the sails currently aren't on the boat, but when they are, she has a really powerful rig as well as plenty of sails to play with. With your lines coming here into the cockpit with the winch above on the companionway electric, with the others manual. You have your engine control as well as your throttle. Really nice big locker here on the port side, just in the cockpit as well. Good sized Genoa winches. Let's have a look around the main sheet, which comes in just behind the cockpit. Excellent visibility forward, as you can imagine. Nothing is really intruding. The B&G instruments are in a good location as well as we make our way down below. As you can see down below, she has these big saloon windows. This does allow you while standing to give lots of natural light as well as look out. As we make our way forward into the bow, she has 9 berths in total in 3 cabins. This forward cabin, say, can be used as twin berths or a really good place for your sails and storage when out sailing. So let's look around in this next forward cabin. 4 bunks in this cabin. Top 2 can be folded away if needed. To make your way into the galley, you have your fridge, there's a little freezer as well, the forward head with shower, and then a saloon seating. Again, with those large windows, makes it nice and light. You're not too down into the depths of the boat. It makes you feel like you're a part of it. Chart table has access to all your electronics. Making your way in a pilot berth. Full engine access just on the right hand side there. As we make our way into the aft cabin, again 2 more berths, really nice, light and airy. The woodwork is in excellent condition again for her age. Having been in the same ownership for so long, makes her well looked after. And the aft head. Making our way back into the main saloon. There's a engine access. Good access, both doors open. You can get to most of the systems from there. This boat does have aircon, which is a nice feature that was added a few years ago. and nice for the Mediterranean where she's currently located. As you have a look at that really nice saloon again. The table swings up so you can easily entertain lots of guests. Having a look at those saloon windows as we swing around on board this Nicholson 55 Surprise.